good one right now. Yo, I was not preparing to record today. I was planning on relaxing and then tomorrow record a video for you guys for Friday. But it started raining. And I have a thing, if it starts raining, we go out and shoot. So, let's have a little fun tonight, shall we? Get some shots. Alright. Let's see, who would be my first victim? Ooh. Someone walk by. Very nice, very nice. Oh my gosh, dude, this is so stunning tonight, man. I just love this. Ooh. Dope. Alright, so just so you guys know, I am using the Canon M50 and I am using the 55 to 250 mil. Obviously the Canon M50 is a crop sensor camera, so obviously the focal length is going to be 1.6 times its actual length. So instead of being 55, it's going to be 88 millimeter. And instead of being 250, I believe, yeah, 250, it's going to be a 400 millimeter zoom, which is actually pretty good if you think about it, honestly. You know, because you can get that extra focal length, you know? Let me see something quick. Like this bike right here. Let's get pictures of this bike. Looks pretty dope. This Revel bike. Let's up that for a little bit. Dope. I'm gonna have to wait until this bus gets out of the way. Hold on. Cause in the frame. Yeah, hold on. He's in the frame. Alright. Go ahead, go. Cool. Nice. Woo, it's so cold. It is so cold right now. But yeah, my biggest goal right now is, as time of recording, having 37 subscribers, I do want to reach 50 by the end of the month. Obviously, I feel like I will reach that before the month is over, or probably even more. But my goal right now is to reach 50 by the end of the month. So guys, if you're not subscribed to the channel right now, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and like this video, because I do upload some great content every single week. Twice a week. And also, if there's anything that you guys want to see me do in future videos, just let me know down in the comments. I do look at the comments, I do read them, so please do that, you know, and I will definitely cater to you guys. this. I like that. I like how this is on the lip part here. Cool. Back a little bit. Get a little lower to get this shot. All right, not bad. Looking for this shot. Hold on. Wait a minute. Dude. I like that look, honestly. It's very... Love the neon look here. Oh, is someone coming outside? Yes, come on, come out, come out, come out. Nice, awesome. Whew. All right, got, oh, wait a minute. There's a bike. There's a bike right here. Oh, I'm about to get this. I'm about to get it. There's someone's bike. Does it belong to somebody? Nope, I don't see it. These people get in my freaking frame. Come on, get a focus. Get out of the frame. Oh my god, that's so annoying. It's, you know, the worst part of being a photographer is when you have to wait for someone to get out of your frame, you know. It's like the worst part possible, honestly. One guy at the front. Oh my god, I got a frame. It's cool. I got what I came for. Alright. Alright. I got what I came for. People keep getting my shot. But, guys, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out a lot. I do create content twice a week, every Tuesdays and Fridays. So with that being said, I will see you on the next one. Peace.